Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to request a refund on Guru. Here's a detailed guide on how to request a refund on Guru. The first thing is to log into your Guru account. How do you do that? Open your browser and go to www.guru.com. And in the top right corner, click on Login. Enter your email address and password, then click Login to access your dashboard. On your dashboard, locate the main navigation menu, which we have in here, and click on Jobs. This section displays a list of all your active, completed, and ongoing jobs. I do not have any. Now, in the jobs page, go ahead and find the job for which you would like to request a refund. Click on the job title to open the job details page, where you'll find information about payments, invoices, and the hired freelancer's work history. Within the job details, locate the Payment or Transaction tab. This tab displays all financial transactions related to the job, including payments made to the freelancer. Now, I'd like you to know that this plan or these options can only be found in the Guru employer account. Now, this is the freelancer account. That's why you see jobs here. But if it's an employer account, you're going to find My Jobs from the main navigation menu. So click on My Jobs and just follow through with the prompt. So this is freelancer. So you're not going to find all of those options here, but ensure that you are signed into the Guru employer's account. All right, so where was I? In the My Jobs page, find the job for which you would like to request a refund and click on the job title to open the job details page, where you find information about payments, invoices, and the hired freelancer's work history. Then within the job details, locate the Payments or Transaction tab. This tab displays all financial transactions related to the job, including payments made to the freelancer. Then find the specific payment or transaction for which you want a refund. Click on the transaction to open its details, where you can view the amount, payment method, and status. Then look for a request refund option within the transaction details. Request refund. Now, this option might be labeled as refund or dispute depending on the exact setup on Guru interface. Then click request refund to start the refund process. Of course, a form or pop-up will appear prompting you to explain why you're requesting a refund. Type a clear and detailed reason addressing any issues with the work or any specific concerns that led to the refund request. Review the refund details and reason provided and click Submit to send your refund request to Guru's support team. Then Guru will review your refund request, which may involve contacting the freelancer for additional information. You receive an update on the status of your refund request in your Guru messages or notifications section. To track your refund request, go to Support or Help Center section in your account. Look for updates under Support Tickets or check the message area for responses from Guru support team regarding the refund status. Now, this should help you navigate the refund process on Guru. Go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.